Hello friends, it's Danny here of Danny's Dreams, and it is day 27 of my birthday card a day, September 2023. Let's see what I used today. So today I used some Stardust stickles. I noticed mine is almost gone. It's one of my favorites, but I did see that Not Too Shabby is starting to carry it, or they had it, so I will be making an order there. I will link everything in the description box below. I also used the sparkle dots from Not Too Shabby. They were from the summer quarterly release. I can't remember the exact name, like Let's Get Cool sparkle dots maybe. Again, everything will be linked in the description box below if it's still available. I used this Newton's Nook land border die. I just love this one for adding just a little bit of interest to some die cuts. You guessed it, I used my favorite things, A2 stitched rectangle stack set 1. Longest name ever, but I absolutely love them. They're just like the perfect size. I used an old Stamping Up Cloudy Day embossing folder. I used some old My Mind's Eye Fine and Dandy Tickled Pink 6x6 paper pad. Let's see, this one's 2010. I have used it before though. And then I used a Club La La Land Crafts kit from May of 2017. It just has a fun like carnival theme to it, and I just thought it was fun. I don't know that I've ever used it. Maybe I have. I don't know. Anyways, it was fun. I looked and I don't think that it's available. This image might be available as a digi, but I didn't find anything else on there, so it's just one of those things I still have in my stash. So here is my card that I created for day 27. It says happy birthday to you. It has that roller coaster and Ferris wheel. I did it out of patterned paper. It's kind of one of those, it looks all right. I don't know that I would do it again. If you didn't know, I don't know that you can look at it and tell. Maybe you can. Can't really see the embossing on camera probably, but I did put that cloud embossing back there just because it needed a little something. I really struggled with this card because I didn't feel like making it a bigger card, and I didn't feel like making a square card. So to make it fit onto an A2 size card was really quite a struggle, but I do like how it turned out. I did add that stickles there and also in her hair there. That ticket die is really fun. I'm excited to maybe use that again. And then I put the carousel horse on the inside, and I put Today We Celebrate You. So it kind of carries that theme. So in the end, I like it. Like I said, I struggled quite a bit putting this one together, but it's done. It's cute, and now we only have 3 more days to go of my birthday card series. So thank you so much for stopping by. And I hope until my next video, you go do something for yourself and go get crafty. Bye.